Meet Jack. Jack's tired-looking garden is in need of a makeover, and his dated kitchen could also do with a bit of TLC. It's time to call Safeguard Services. Fully insured and accredited, Safeguard Services work throughout South Wales and the UK and have many years in the trade. The team at Safeguard work with residential and domestic clients seeking home renovations and improvements, landscaping, garden transformations, and general building services. Safeguard Services can transform your outside space into an area of beauty and tranquility that you won't want to leave. Your new, functional garden will add value to your home and bring years of enjoyment, whether you want to use the space for relaxation, entertaining, or simply as a spectacle. Are you tired of seeing the same four walls? Could your home benefit from a makeover? Safeguard Services will capture your vision and help you to put your stamp on your home and create something to be truly proud of. Call Safeguard Services on 07944 518 938 or 07429 403 937. Email safeguardservices1@yahoo.com or visit www.safeguard-services.co.uk today.